Picture this. You walk into your home and instantly feel lighter. There's space to breathe, calm in every corner, and a sense of freedom you haven't felt in years. It doesn't take months, it doesn't even take a week. You need is 2 focused days, and the right plan. Start by setting your intention. You're not just rearranging things, you're creating a space that feels right for the life you live now. Choose 2 areas you use the most. Beginning there will give you the biggest boost of motivation. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Pick up anything that's clearly out of place: old papers, empty cups, stray shoes. This isn't about big decisions yet, it's just about waking up your focus and getting energy flowing. Now go deeper. Every item gets one of 3 decisions. It stays because you use it or love it. It's shared because it's in good condition but better for someone else. Or it goes because it's broken, outdated, or no longer useful. Work in 1-hour bursts. Take short breaks and keep moving forward. Papers tend to spread quietly. Bills, letters, manuals. Sort quickly. Important ones go in a single labeled folder. Memorable ones can be photographed so you keep the memory without the clutter. Everything else should be recycled right away. Don't let anything sit around overnight. Remove all bags and boxes from the house, whether that's to the bin or to be passed along. The physical act of letting them go will give you an instant feeling of relief. The next day, start small. Pick the simplest spot first. A quick win early on will make the rest of the work easier. Clothing can take up more space than we realize. Use the 1-year guide if you haven't worn it in the last 12 months. It's ready for a new life somewhere else. Keep only what's comfortable, flattering, and suited to the way you live today. Focus on the spaces you use daily: drawers, shelves, and cupboards you open most often. Remove duplicates, toss what's expired, and arrange things so they're easy to reach. Special keepsakes matter, but keeping too many can hide the truly meaningful ones. Choose a few that tell your story. Store them in a small, dedicated box so the memories are safe and the space stays open. Finally, walk through every room as if you're seeing it for the first time. Adjust anything that feels out of place. Open the windows, let fresh air in, and notice how much calmer and clearer everything feels. In just 2 days, you can completely transform not just the look of your surroundings, but the way they make you feel. Letting go of what you no longer need makes room for comfort, clarity, and peace. This is your space. Make it work for the life you're living now. If this gave you the motivation to start, click like, subscribe for more uplifting tips, and share your own success stories in the comments. Let's inspire each other to live lighter and happier.